Got to do it.
Why do I look? There's your
Keps loves you.
She loves all of us.
She love you. Happy birthday, Masha. Happy birthday to my girl, Masha. Happy birthday, dear Masha. Madrid wanil kanjani manje na? Kanjani manje na?
Thank you.
What would I be without my baby? If Bessie don't touch, it's gonna fall.
I'm touching. I phone
Oh.
Mando, ma hindi.
Because
Help me.
Guys, it's my best friend's birthday today. That's all I came here to say. She's a happy birthday. Oh, what are my hats? I'm so bad. Oh, nothing. I'm my treat. You can't do. Tell you one of my hats. Tell you one of my hats.
Over some hot love. Happy birthday, Lala. Thank you, Nana.
Happy birthday, Masha. Happy birthday, Masha. Happy birthday, Masha. Okay, bye guys. Happy Sunday.
Thank you, guys.
Happy Sunday.
Oh, Nicole, why didn't you call somewhere? No, can you lana? I'm a white heart. I'm a heart. Friend, I didn't have any idea.
Guys, Barcelona is gonna bounce back. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say.
Give it a half.
Please go get dressed.
I'm gonna go get dressed.
I need to cover you because I'm back. Obama's okay, guys.
Guys! San Buono! South Africa. Asiko ay South Africa.
Show me what you're doing. Hi, Nolazi!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's been such a long day. We woke up at like 7 a.m. and went to the ocean. I am for real. Never meant to make you gotta cry. I apologize a million times. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Woo. No, guys, I don't have TV and it was so depressing. I'm celebrating my friend's birthday. So
Forever.
crazy.
What's up, Bella?
I am very, very happy. No, I was like, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna wear?
What are you gonna wear?
What am I gonna wear?
Personal trainer, stylist, I'm putting.
You've been personal.
I'm joking, I'll pick a cute outfit.
Personal.
I'll pick a cute outfit for you.
Never meant to make you gotta cry. I apologize. We won as Chiefs supporters. We won, and yes, so I was saying we won.
I'm not going for reservations and go to your
Pony, that was cute. Yeah, we're going out now. We've been out the entire day. Bessie, why are you fixing your face with the camera?
Oh.
Yes, your camera is fixing your face.
I'm trying to take a video.
Oh man, I'm going to interview you. I want to know more about your role. Come to bed, go son. Oh.
Rolian manje as roll lozo. Start a roll.
Sunny light.
What are you doing?
Yes. It's because we are not in the country. Don't come back. Wow, Vafa. Really? Really? You don't want us to come back? You're my friend.
Vafa shy.
You're my friend. Okay. Come get ready with us as we go out for dinner.
Hi, Bo.
Why? No, angeke. Nina ningolisele nisangavezi. Guys, These two are filthy.
You need to get your back into way back. Oh, whoa, wow.
Shake that ass, girl.
Hi. Bye. I'm not gonna show my ass. I won't show my ass, don't worry.
Guys, the weather here is amazing. It's so hot. So hot it is. Cela ukubona amaflight lapho nithi amakhosi. Uyazibona kusijani?
Gala. How?
Osam, bye-bye. Singaphuma la live. Singaphuma la live.
Wow. Wow.
Bestie, stop showing your phone. Listen, my phone app, it's confiscated from now on. You're not allowed to be on your phone anymore. Because earlier on you finished the battery. And then you asked a random person.
Please add me on WhatsApp.
Please add me on. Oh, paga ni right.
Shall I leave my hair down or tie it?
Let me see. Let me see if you leave it down. No, it's fine. You don't have to.
Wait,
No.
If I will leave it down,
Just
just normal. Huh? And I'm saying when I leave it down.
Hey DJ, when I move, you move, just like that.
When I move, you move. When I move,
Are you gonna wear your glasses?
Well, not pictures.
Okay, take off your glasses. Let me see you without your glasses. Okay, no, let it come to the front.
Okay, cool. Sure. Yeah. Are you gonna put on makeup?
Should I put on makeup?
No.
Oh no.
There's no need. Why do you
I want to put my, because we're tired, but it's almost 7. Boga.
My eyes are puffy too.
Exactly.
Once a coffee, always a coffee.
Coffee
Shout out
for
to
life.
you, Simba.
Okay, but
We're playing in Africa.
are we putting on makeup? Yes or no? I just want to know so I can go back to my nap.
Why are you going to that?
Because in such an
Why
hour to
would
get
you
ready.
nap?
I'm finished now.
Nap. Oh. Ow, just like that.
Yeah, let's put on makeup.
Just like that.
Just so we look cute. Are we going to take pictures?
I need pictures of
Just
this.
like that.
In the lights.
Because,
No,
hey, baby, let's put in a
Yeah,
lot of scene. Yo.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you going to wear these heels?
I think so.
These are cute.
Alright, I just bought them. Drop it like it's hot.
Okay, guys, we need to go get dressed now. Thank you. Ay, Bona.
Ay, Bono.
What's up, Bona? No, you can just
Happy
put on.
people, yeah. Who's that so bad?
Them. I look so tired, my word. I'm better. Wait, not.
I look like shit.
Don't say
I
that.
look like spank. So bad. Oh, but never had a quick train.
Oh, ma. 2000.
2000 what?
2000 rand.
2000 gone down.
Man United won, Chiefs won. Now it's left for Barcelona to win. Okay, guys, let's get ready for dinner. Good night.
Please say little baby. I love you.
Get low.
Kapain, guys.
It's our jam. If you gotta, let me, hey, you know how I gotta work it. No, I did not attend Shippy High. If I can explain you.
I see US. Hello.
I am a
beautiful.
Barcelona fan. Bye-bye, guys.
Kapain, guys.
Rock, rock, cha. Aben galang ngami kodwa Aurora. Look stunning lapha ingawogezi nokugeza.
Are you crazy?
No, that was my morning shower. Now I need to take my afternoon shower. Ubale fish. Ooh, okay, let me just block this guy real quick. He called you a fish. Ubale fish is fish. Why would you call someone a fish?
Ubale fish. Onayo. Wenja. Ngijoyini kabi.
Naka, ngiyambloka, sengiblockile. U-Usher Ntente.
Block. Bye. Fishing dinner. I enjoy that.
Yo, you guys can harass someone, hey?
We miss
We
you.
haven't seen you do it live in so long. That means.
Hello, Pito. Nangihopa mo yun.
Nango, Brian, espero la bola.
Fundo pala mina?
Bueno.
Brian, una million.
Uyijwayela umngani wakho kanjani?
All for this. Is
You are
she
old for this,
the
Nando.
birthday girl?
You
Yes,
must
I am the birthday girl.
Yes. No, Nicholas. Let's block Nicholas as well. You are old for this.
Nicholas mjwayela kabi. Blocker. Sani blocker, manga bokuzokhuluma umsuzo zokublocker.
How many times have I said God Masha today?
If you say what the
One
Masha,
more time.
My mom is like,
the most beautiful.
my mom is like, Twa, Mzansi belogo.
Because I'm a buffalo. Boobs, I'm so happy. I'm stoked, bruh. I'm so stoked, bruh.
I was using Fenty. You know Fenty!
So excited.
Happy 30th birthday, thank you. Who's that?
Guys, cooking little sister 30.
Nasipo ubani?
30!
No sip on my
Thank you, Nasipo.
1K lang empel. Oh my god, I don't feel like driving, guys.
Oh,
Oh, Bessie, I'll drive. Mission 1, I'ma put this song. You can see me in a dress, I'ma get Miss on it. Missing, I'ma get my crown, tell her a couple when they, hey, mission. I got 3 best friends, now we do it all the time and we can do it again. Hey, got the stroll, get a couple when they, hey, getting me to die. I'm a little set and never hurt nobody while I'm standing on the wall. So God, get me bad.
Get me.
I'll get me bad. I'll get me bad. Hey, then guy, I'm behind you, crazy.
Oh!
Yeah. Everybody, I'm gonna do myself tonight. Guys, there's a new show starting today on Milton. I don't even drink. Milton, you can never have fun on here without someone telling you you're drunk. Mission 7, y'all made my crown. Oh, you guys really, no.